Hi, I would like to thank Cloakla for sending me this LED light mask so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. So here, I was so excited to take it out of the box. It does have different layers. Everything is packed really well and protected well in the packing. So this is the part that goes on your face, and then this is the part that goes around your neck and décolletage. Each has a cord. And then underneath you'll see the additional accessories. We've got the iPads, an instruction manual, the charging cords, the remote, and then those are the straps to put them around your head and neck. And then it comes with this really nice carrying case. So this is the remote. You need to charge it, and then you can put while you're charging it, you can put the iPads on. And then these are the straps that then will strap around your head. And just be aware, kind of play around with it. You need to make sure that you are putting the straps on the correct way so that the Velcro is in the right spot when you put it around your head. It also comes with straps. There you go. It also comes with straps for the neck piece. So here's the remote. We're going to turn it on. It's got the display. You can see it's set at 10 minutes for auto shut off. Different modes and setting the timer. And those are the ports for the plugins. So here I'm just plugging each piece in, and as soon as I plug that in, you can kind of see the lights turn on. That was the face, and then here's the neck, turning that piece on as well, plugging that in. And then before you use it on your face, you do want to test it for a little bit on your arm, just to make sure you don't have any type of reaction to it. So here I am, I'm putting on the neck piece and tucking it inside my shirt. When you use it, it's normal to have some redness on your skin, but you should not have any discomfort. And then strapping it around my head. It does come with a protective film on the light side, so be sure that you remove that film before you use it. And so now I'm just turning it on, just doing a little bit of an adjustment, and I'm just going to relax. I'm going to do this for 15 minutes. Those bottom buttons are for time, so one takes it up a notch to 30 minutes max. The other button brings it back down. I believe it's a 5-minute minimum. I'm going to do 15 minutes. And then the middle buttons are the intensity. So hopefully you can tell it's like low, medium, high. And then the other button is for blue light, green light, the different types of LED light. And you can research on your own which type of or which color of light is best for the skin condition that you prefer to treat. I highly recommend this. This was so fun, and it was actually